Hey everyone, in this particular video, I will be reviewing Backup Guard. So Backup Guard is a WordPress plugin that will help you to maximize security efforts for your WordPress site. So they are running a deal on appsumo.com where let me showcase where they are offering their two plugins. One is WordPress Backup plugin, like it's the alternative to Updraft. I think they also mentioned here, yeah. So this is the alternative to Updraft, and rather than that, they are also offering a security plugin named Backup Guard security. I think Backup Guard security. So basically, it's a full suite to protect your website from hackers. So in case if you like their security plugin fail, you will have a backup from where you can easily like restore your website. So this is something pretty cool, and I'm using Backup Guard from last 2 to 3 days, and they recently launched an AppSumo and they're pretty well. And I recently also disabled the Updraft plugin and started using the Backup Guard. So let me showcase you that as well. So here's the Backup Guard plugin. So but before going into that, I wanna showcase you the what AppSumo deal. So what basically AppSumo deal is, like they are offering their backup plugin. So this is their backup plugin, and they are also offering their security plugin. So this is their security plugin. So you can create firewalls, do some monitoring, and some scanner into your website to scan some security glitches. So basically they're offering two plan. One is $39 a month for a lifetime, not a month. In that you will get a Backup Guard security plugin with their gold features, and this is security plugin with their gold feature as well. So let me showcase you what exactly that is. So in gold feature you will get 5 websites. All right. Okay. Okay. So and then you will get all silver features. So in silver feature you will get WordPress migration, restore, automated backup, single profile, backup to Dropbox, SFTP, FTP, backup, download and import, an email notification that your backup is done or not. After that, there is a gold plan. Yeah, you can back up your website to different, you can say spaces. Then you will have a backup retention as well. Then you can restart, like restore from all, like some little bit feature that I love about them, not a big mess. So this is what you will get inside gold plan. So this is for the backup pricing. So they're also having a cloud service, but I think they are not offering this cloud service in the AppSumo deal. So yeah, they are not offering it. So because there you go, is automatic consistent backup for your website in the cloud. So they're not offering cloud storage, but I don't know, someone mentioned that easy link to cloud service. So they are not giving the cloud storage as I'm able to see, but they also offers this cloud storage functionality. And if I talk about their security plugins, their security plugins are same, like you will get everything, but here you will get priority support and everything, like nothing but the features of all this particular plan, silver plan. So in silver plan, you will get long time scan film and firewall things. So firewall is something that goes over my head actually. So most of the times. So they are not providing any kind of cloud service. So let me log into my Backup Guard account and let me showcase you all the use cases. So let me do a quick log. So as you can see, guys, I just logged into my Backup Guard account. So currently I am having this deal $78 one, in which I got this Backup Lab Platinum and security plugin. So currently 5 licenses are used, 3 for Backup Guard plugin and 2 for this. Then you can directly download plugin here, then you will get a license and invoice thing. Then you can link your site from here, but you also need to log in inside WordPress plugin. So I will not recommend a link over here. When you install plugin inside the website, you will get option there to link. So that's better to do this. So as you can see, Subsas is using the Backup Guard Platinum. We are using the security plugin. ShareHouse.com is using the Backup Guard security backup plugin. So security plugin is used inside Blogging Fire and Subsas. From Blogging Fire, I think I removed that. So let me see if I'm having it or not. So as you can see, I just disabled Updraft and started using Backup Guard. So backup. So Backup Guard Pro. So I'm not using the security plugin as of now. Then you can add your AppSumo code over here by clicking on stack code. Just enter your code and you will do. Then special services, like they also offer WordPress migration services. If you're having a very big site, then just order it for $84. So currently a little upsell for audience, like you can just go ahead and do a little upsell and get your site back up. So that's what is this plugin is offering. And let me jump into the demo of Backup Guard. main plugin, that's a backup plugin. So let me go into this backup field, and it's opening. Okay, so it's opened up. It's a little bit slow today. So one thing that I do not like about them, or one pro feature, that is like when you are here, you can just quickly move, like click over here to move out. So you do not need to click this button. So these are the buttons that also show up over here. So I think there is a no use case of this, but I think when you are into WordPress, like you need to quickly shift to, then this will help you in productivity. But I don't think so. This is like this is just for fulfilling this space. So let's start with the backup. So you can click on this backup button and the backup guard will start backupping your site. They will ask you are looking for a custom backup, what kind of backup you are looking for. Okay, you are waiting for only WordPress. So what kind of backup, your database backup, or you're looking for file backup. So let's suppose I'm looking for a database backup, then upload it to cloud. So which cloud you wanna? So currently I just connected my Dropbox account over here. So I can directly upload it to, or I can do FTP as well if I'm having a storage, or Amazon S3. Then I want it to be on background mode, and let me click on this. So this will avoid CPU usages, so I do not want a like quick backup, so you can slowly and steadily do that. Then in cloud you can select which storage. So currently my Dropbox is connected, I can connect my Google Drive. FTP, I'm using Bunny CDN for FTP, so storage purposes. So I will showcase you that as well. I think costing $2 or $3 for like hosting 100 GB files, so that is also pretty well serviced by Bunny CDN. Then you can create a schedule. Let's suppose you do not want to do any kind of instant backups, you want, okay, like I want some automated backups every single week. So let's put it up for week, and be weekly backup, be weekly, and let's put this weekly, not be weekly. So I want to do this on Sunday, on Monday at midnight, not midnight, but 3 a.m. Full backup, it uploaded to cloud. So I don't want any kind of local backup, so I wanted to upload it to my Dropbox and click on save. From now on, what will happen is this backups will be automatically uploaded to Dropbox without any retention. So this is a feature that I most loved in Updraft, and I also got this inside Backup Guard. Absolutely, we paying for it, we will get this feature, right? So it will take some time, and it's done. So if you go into setting, you wanna enable email notifications. If you wanna have some notification, hey, your backup is done, then you can add emails over here. Then reloaded enable, so it's enable like, okay, so it enable like as they recommend to avoid execution time at error. So enable. So delete when you this the backups are uploaded to Dropbox. So delete local backups to save up storage and make your site will go faster. Then receive an alert like backup deletion from also from account. So yeah, I think what exactly do you delete okay, when you delete the local copy, this will be auto deleted from your cloud storage. Then download by PHP, not a big feature, so I do not go into that. Then disable ads. So there are some ads inside plugin, like ads mean they not the extra third party ads by Backup Guard for promoting their plugins. So if you want to do it, okay, I don't want to do it because I want to see what kind of sort of services and plugins they are doing. Then upload chunk size. So what are the chunk size you want to 8 MB is a good, like I don't want to touch these settings because I don't know much about them, so I don't want to touch them, right? Then this is the folder name, the backup file name, and this is also a folder name inside your Dropbox account. Who currently a connected Dropbox, so this will create automatic folder. Then this gives a little bit details about my website. Then services, they are offering again upsell or whatever you can say for our WordPress migration. Then they are offering very good video tutorials, like this is the how a walkthrough video how backup card performs. Then a support, so you can direct create a support ticket, go into that how to do this thing. So let's suppose if I wanna install backup guard pro, I'm looking for something near to security. Let's see what so okay, so this is a section for backup guard. This what do you call it, what do you call it backup plugin. Okay, so this is all about an overview of backup guard backup plugin. Let me pause this video and let me quickly jump. So here you go, I think our backup is successfully done. So what is happening, I'm unable to move there. Okay, so this happens in backup guard like the if you say when it's setting this directly jump you to cloud storage. I don't know why, but this happens. So I do not have any problem. You can download your backups or you can click here to restore your backups. So this is all about the backup guards backup plugin. So now let me pause this video and I will start with backup guard security plugin. So let's continue video guys. So here as you can see this is a WordPress security plugin by Backup Guard. So as you can see they given me a progress report. I created a scan report, like I click on scan and they started scanning my site and they given me a report that I can directly download from here. So let me showcase you what inside this report if there is no complicated data. So I don't know why it's not downloading. So let's go ahead. And this is a like firewall thing, as I told you, like I didn't like firewall. So but HTTP headers, so block proxy HTTP headers. So I like I keep this thing off because block brute force is something like when someone is using mechanism to access your WordPress and like adding again and again, again and again, that they are entering passwords rapidly using computers. So that's called brute force attack. So common password can be easily cracked with this. So I will block this. Then hot linking is like someone is using your server image from your server and using it on their site. Like this is called hot linking. Like let's suppose if I open this blog, let me open this blog. Okay, as I told you, HTTP proxy header not allowed, right? So I did not know about these things, so I better to keep them off. Now let me refresh this. Right. So here you go. Here is the vector. Here is the surfing vector. So let's suppose if someone just use this link to mend this on their site, so I can block that. Then image hot linking, then bad query string. Uh, like this, I don't know, but I kept it on. My friend recommended me block referral to spam traffic. Like I just block them. Block bad request method, block bad request string. So block bad bots. So these are specific IP addresses you want to block. If you don't enter your IP here, you'll be unable to access your site. You need to just route this from your server for this. Then bandwidth monitoring, you can add this like what is the monitoring of your bandwidth, how your website is using this. So let me switch it on. So in bandwidth monitoring, you will also get traffic monitoring. So I did not enable it because I didn't want to have that much data. I'm already having many tools that I'm using this. Then login attempts. I want to give them 5 login attempts. If they do not log in that user will be blocked for a certain period of time. Then this is the report time. There, this is the path of my plugin. Then again, system info like the last plugin, right? So let me go into this traffic reporting. So let me switch it on. So now they will tell me like when they visit time, visits, visited URL, IP. They will give me everything. So let me create a small widget. So let me go to incognito window and let me open my blog. Okay, I opened my blog. Let's see if they gave me something or not. So I think it will take some time to monitoring the traffic. So it will take some time to like fetch the details, but that's all. Bandwidth monitoring is a good feature, but in the Cloudways, like as you can see, like these are I just logged in there and they are fetching like this image. What is it? Then WordPress cache files, pump load, coupon WP plugin, Thrive leads. So as you can see, these are the resources that I will fetch when I open this in incognito window. So let me open here. So here you can see Thrive it's got fetched due to this, but I don't know why that Cooper plugin fetched over here. Now let me open this Pixelite video. By the way, Pixelite is ending that event. This is my interview with David. Daud. And this is LVRG review. Let me open it up and use little bit of resources, pros and cons, showcase. That's all. So let me go back here and click on here. So as you can see, tons of resources has been used. They are showcasing everything to me. Then if I click on this traffic, yeah, here you go. I just visited with this IP address. I visited here. This is my visit time, and this is my visit. 2 visits mean I go into 2 times. So it's better to switch them off, according to me. So that's all about the backup guard monitoring plugin. So what's my perspective for backup guard? So basically backup guard is a very good plugin that helps you to create this, and plus add to that this function, the backup functionality they are offering also plugin many, they are also available for free by any other companies, but they are also offering many features that most of the companies do not offer, and they tell to pay for it. So that's why backup guard is something that is a must consideration for WordPress website owners. Add to that, if you want to purchase backup card, my affiliate link will be given below. That will be shehraz.link/backup card, SHEHRAJ.link/backup card. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to our Subsas YouTube channel. So you will be notified whenever we launch any other video. Like whenever we launch any kind of video on this particular YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you. You will see me inside reviewing any other tool. Thank you so much for watching.